My name is Saksham Mugar. I'm a finance intern at inSAKE Academy. Today I'm going to explain on topic the importance of resilience for financial analysts. Basically, financial analysts are responsible for analyzing data, making forecasts, and then implementation thinking investment. So this demanding role requires an individual to be adapt to the uncertainties, pressure, and the setbacks due to the financial industry. So resilience trait is important for any individual because of the dynamic and unpredictability into the financial markets. So now I'm going to discuss about few points that why resilience is important for financial analysts. So starting with market handling market volatility. So financial market can see significant market volatility due to the economic factors, geopolitical factors, or bad market sentiments. So financial analysts are perfect for this situation as they can navigate the fluctuations, make informed decisions and adjust to their strategies. So next point is adapt to the change uncertainties. So any uncertainties can come due to the unseen events or change in the policies which can affect the market dynamic. So these in this time the resilience of the financial analyst is important to adapt for these adapting changes as they can access to the information and change their analytical framework for the specific condition. So now I'll explain with the example. 2022 Russia and Ukraine war happened at before that 2020 COVID crisis happened. So at that time it is very difficult for any financial analyst to report accurate for the financial analyst for any new ratios. So at that time the true value of the company or future predictability is difficult for the longer term to prospect. So as this anything can happen, these events can last longer than we can imagine. So it is important to adapt to the uncertainties. So next point is learning from the setbacks. So any financial analyst can predict wrong markets or make unsuccessful investments and any downturn market. So they have to learn from their mistakes, bounce from them, and improve their decision making from these mistakes. So next point is embracing continuous learning. So basically, any financial analyst here who can only survive because of the changing into the mindset, because growth is very important nowadays. Any rapid advancement of emerging technologies can happen. So now I'm explaining the example. As compared to the India and US, the AI is basically very different scenarios. In USA, I can say there is strong AI versus weak AI in India, because the companies like Meta or Apple, Microsoft, they are into the AI already. They are into the advanced stage of the AI because of the emerging technologies that are happening. So they are already into the process of making use into the AI versus the AI into the Indian markets, because the Indian IT companies are just managing the software or developing or manufacturing the softwares. So there is a lot of difference between them. For example, Apple are already making invisible airports which are into the very advanced stage of the AI. So there is very different scenarios both in India and in Israel. So this is the summary. Like I would say, the resilience of the any financial analyst is important because this thriving into the demanding and volatile financial markets. So very important. Yeah. So thank you so much.